There are hardly a few players in the world of cricket who command respect by their sheer personality. England all-rounder Moeen Ali, who has now hung his boots from Test cricket, is one such player. Ali has been a poster boy of multicultural Britain, but yet many say that he could have ended up as a Test icon if he was given consistent chances in the England Test side. Reserved yet outspoken, supremely talented yet wasted. Ali's Test career was nothing short of a roller coaster ride. His journey is a story of family, of sacrifice, of unity, of humility, of talent overcoming poverty. Hello and welcome to News 9. I am Shubhayan Chakravarti, joined by Nikhil Narayan to discuss Moeen Ali, the Test cricketer. Nikhil, a fine all-rounder who has now hung his boots from Test cricket. The retirement comes as a shock, given that the Ashes was around the corner. But what do you make of this player? A fine all-rounder.
Yeah. A great all-rounder for England, and I use the word great with, very judiciously.
Yeah.
He lost a central contract in the English summer of 2019.
Absolutely.
And he got a bit disconnected with Test cricket since after. And he started pursuing T20 leagues all over the world after that. But as you said, a great all-rounder. 64 matches in Test cricket for England. Batting average 28-9, decent. But 195 wickets at a bowling strike rate of 60.7. This is top class.
Absolutely, Nikhil. And we have to remember the 2016 year. He scored 4 out of those 5 centuries in that year, specific year. At 28.9 averages, I am saying it is fine because he has batted from number 1 to number 9 position. Every position he has batted. So, one of the finest all-rounder of this generation.
Absolutely. In fact, I would go on to say he is England's greatest all-rounder after Sir Ian Botham in the same league as Ben Stokes and Andrew Flintoff.
That's a big statement, Nikhil. But the spinner Moeen Ali was something special. Even when we saw the last series against England, you take a look at that 195 wicket. Our director will again fire that graphic. 195 wicket, bowling strike rate of 60.7. That's amazing for someone who was known for his batting prowess more than his bowling.
Absolutely. See, the thing with Moeen Ali was he was very underrated. He was almost an enigma in Test cricket.
Absolutely.
There are only 37 spinners in Test cricket history who've taken 150 plus wickets.
Yeah.
Out of those 37 spinners, in terms of bowling strike rate, which shows you the ability of a bowler to pick wickets, which is the crucial thing in Test cricket, Shubhayan.
Just look at the list.
He's at number 8, Shubhayan. Imagine. And he's above the likes of greats like Jim Laker, Leon, Ajmal, Chandrasekhar, Kumble, Sakleen, Mushtaq Ahmed, Harbhajan Singh, Underwood, Kadir, Prasanna, Richie Beno.
That's a legendary list. And Moeen Ali 60.7 strike rate.
That is
phenomenal.
just marginally behind Graham Swan, who was regarded as an England great. And Moeen is not.
Yes.
So that is the tragedy with Moeen's career. He actually overachieved as a bowler, but underachieved as a batsman.
Absolutely. Even in his retirement statement, he said that he could have achieved more with the bat and didn't get that many opportunities with the bat at a specific position. He was very tweaked with his batting positions, and he was dropped and chopped and dropped from the side, from the Test side, but he continued to perform in the English whites.
Correct.
Absolutely. And Nikhil, what do the numbers tell about Moeen Ali? The overall highlights, his career highlights, what do they tell?
So, this stat basically, sums everything up. Only 4 English all-rounders have taken the double of scoring 3,000 runs and also picked more than 200 wickets in Test cricket history. Those 4 are the great Ian Botham, Andrew Flintoff and Stuart Broad. Moeen Ali fell short by 86 runs. He's 2,914 and by 5 wickets. He's 195 wickets. So if had India played that Test at Manchester,
things could have gone in a different way, but 293 runs at a strike rate of 75 in Ashes 2015.
This is very significant because he batted lower down the order from numbers 7, 8 and he scored tough runs. He was coming into bat when there was a collapse of England and he was scoring those 40s, 50s, counter-attacking. And because of his batting, England actually went on to win the Ashes 3-2.
And that is remembered as one of the most iconic wins in Ashes. 252 runs at a strike rate of 72, 25 wickets, averaging 16 against South Africa in 2017, and a hat trick. We can't forget that hat trick at the Oval against South Africa in 2017.
He was the player of the series against South Africa in that
Absolutely,
series.
9 wickets and 40 under pressure in series against India in 2018.
Yes, and because of this performance of Moeen Ali's, England took the series 3-1.
Absolutely, and we can't forget that he helped England clean sweep Sri Lanka in 2018, 18 wickets in 3 tests. That's amazing.
Absolutely, and this was one of England's finest performance in Sri Lanka in the subcontinent. And Ali picking 18 wickets in 3 matches, tremendous performance with the ball.
Absolutely, Nikhil. And talking about Moeen Ali, the human being, he has always stood up to his values. He is a reserved guy. He's an introvert, but he has always lived up to his faith and has backed his whatever the opinions are, be it wearing a black band to support the Palestine or speaking against the Uyghurs in
Correct.
China.
He's always stood up for his principles. He's been very proud of his faith. You know, sometimes when he wore the armband in Southampton in the test against India in 2014, he made the headlines, but the ECB stood by him. So a man of principles, a man who didn't speak much, but who let his bat and ball do the talking. Moeen Ali, the number of runs he scored for England from 7, 8, 9, tough runs, team under pressure, getting out of a hole, counter-attacking, those, I mean, averages don't tell you that story. And that was Moeen Ali's speciality with the bat. With bowling, we know, one of the greatest, off-spinners in England's Test cricket history.
Absolutely. And as I said earlier, bowling was not his prowess initially.
Yeah.
He developed those lethal off-spin, loopy off-spin deliveries later in his career and achieved something which will go down as one of the most memorable careers in England Test history.
Absolutely. In fact, 2 spinners who helped him a lot, who told him to bowl a little faster. One was Saeed Ajmal,
Yes.
who was his teammate in the county season, and also Kumar Dharamsena. He gave him some important tricks. He told him to bowl faster. So he bowled faster, also got the turn, and then Moeen Ali became a very lethal off spinner.
Is he England's best spin bowling all-rounder?
He is by far England's best spin bowling all-rounder, and in fact, as I said, he fell just short of that unique double of 200 wickets and 3,000 runs, which would have placed him amongst the 4 in England, and only 14 other people in Test cricket history have achieved that double. So Moeen Ali was on the verge of a historic double, which unfortunately could not happen.
Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you so much for all the insights. What a phenomenal career. What a terrific player. Yet he didn't achieve the greatness he was tipped to. Moeen Ali will go down as a talented player who did his best in England Whites but was mismanaged by the England board. That's it for the special show on Moeen Ali. For more news and updates, like, share and subscribe to News9.